the bills and beats, we feel so free. Market rising fast just like the sea. In this trading world we got the key. Bulls and bears that dance with our luck. Moji's got that charm, never stuck. Crypto's flying high, it's so wild. Trading like a pro, feeling styled. Watch the screen light up, it's a show. Numbers spinning, fast cash flow. Moji and me, we stealing the spotlight. Day trading moves all day, all night. Candlesticks, they flicker like a flame. In this money game, we stake our claim. Moji's wisdom never goes untamed. Winning every trade, no one's the same. Market trades, we ride like the wind. Every profit made feels like we sinned. Up and down we groove with delight. In Moji's world, everything's alright. Green and red, they paint our days. Fortunes made in so many ways. Feeling the rhythm in every trade. Moji and me, the perfect brigade. Watch the screen light up, it's a show. Numbers spinning fast, cash flow. Moji and we still stout. Dating like a profit brigade. Whoa. Candlesticks, they flicker like a flame. In this money game, we stake our claim. Moji and we still stout. Winning every trade, no one's the same. Watch the screen light up, it's a show. Numbers spinning, fast cash flow. Moji and me, we.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another live. My name is Mo G. I'm a lead resident trader with TWA, Indicators and Mentorship. Today, I just want to go over real quick what you're going to see on this live. So, right over here, you can see. First, we're going to go over a little market overview with me. Then we're going to go to a live trading session. Today we have two traders today. We have Cloud and Adam on the live today. They're going to be sharing their insights and strategies on how they use these indicators and what they're seeing on the market. Please remember, do not copy trade. There is a delay on YouTube, so do not copy trade. Please trade your own charts. And without any further ado, let's get into the market overview. So then this way we can pop on our guest traders and get some good looks today. So just real quick for the market overview here, you can see my game plan, especially right here. If we cannot break past this level, which is right now at I have it at 22,100, 2290 zone. If we cannot break above it, I will be looking for a short off of the stall from here. If we do break above it, then I will be looking long, and my target area would be in around the 22. I would say the 22,280 area up here, up around here. But right now, so far, we are price is considered cheap right now. We are in the cheap box in the 4-hour forecaster, which is an indicator with TWA. And let's see if the open wants to start bullish or is it going to stall and come down. We'll see as time goes on. All right, let me just go over to my trigger chart so you can see what's happening right now. You can see so far, we had a sell button at around 6:30 this morning, and we've been steadily heading down. Right now, you see the TPO is yellow. For everyone who doesn't know and who is new, when you see this TPO yellow, that is a caution sign, meaning price is choppy. So if you're looking for entries, please be aware that the price can be choppy at this certain time. All right, so now we'll be right back with our guests and be ready for this New York Live.
We're hugging this area right here. I wonder what the Open's going to give us. So you think we push down? I think we go to VWAP before we start pushing down. What you think?
Okay, we are back and we now have Cloud on the call. Cloud, can you hear us?
What's up, you guys? How you guys doing today?
All right, so Cloud is on the call. Cloud, we have your chart on the screen if you want to let people know what you're seeing so far, and we'll see if we get our other guest up.
Um, well, right now I'm seeing a lot of bearishness. I still would like to play the longs though. If for some reason we can get down to the previous weekly high, I'll take a long there. If not, I want to see us break above VWAP here. But I did take a long. I did take my first long in the morning right here. Um, Actually, it was at 35 to be exact was my entry. So I'll just be looking to see if I can play another long off these two areas right here, or if we break down a little further to this previous weekly high. So you know, I'm actually will still be looking for longs again today. I just want to see what the market has to offer for us today. We have to keep in mind tomorrow we have FOMC. So what I'm gonna do today, if I have any ranginess within the market, I'm gonna call it a quits early.
What time is FOMC today?
No, no, it's tomorrow. Tomorrow, 2
Tomorrow?
p.m. Yeah. So any ranginess I see today, I'm just gonna call it quits. And what I define as range is I have these I have these candle colorings that we offer as a package. Once you see these yellow candle coloring, you know that market's gonna be choppy.
Yeah, we have about 4 minutes to open. Let's see if. Let's see if we can see what New York wants to give us. All right, let's see. Yeah, I think it's gonna be. I think it's gonna be pushing down first, in my opinion. If we can't get above that, like 2290. and stay above it. I think we're gonna be pushing down today. Okay, we got 3 minutes to open. Let's put some music in the background. Get ready for this. Oh, we're starting to push already, Cloud.
Yeah, I know. I'm seeing that already.
Push already. All right, let's see what's going on here. All right, we got 1 minute. We got about 40 seconds to open. I have a sell sign on mine. What do you have on yours? Do you have a sell sign anywhere on yours?
I do at 9:19 area.
Okay.
Or a sell button, not really a sign. I'm just gonna wait. I'm still looking to play the long, so let's see what happens. But yeah, we did push below my 1 minute moving average, so let's see what happens.
Okay, move that over. Let's get ready to trade now.
We're open.
Everything's Woo. Nice
We
little
are
push.
open.
Nice little push downward. Again, if anybody's looking at a short, please be mindful that this is still considered price is cheap, so use your risk management wisely. Possibly reduce contract sizing here. Yeah, it is.
It's always funny to see when people call me right at 9:30. It's like I can't answer the phone even if I wanted to.
All right, I got in because it hit my trigger. Let me see. This is very high risk trade. Let's see if okay, I'm risk free right now, so I'm in a risk free short. I only have a 10-point stop right now, but I'm risk free. So if it takes me out, I've conserved my capital, so I will take it. Why did I take it here? Because on my screen, price broke out of the gray cheap box. I have red. Let me just flip back to my screen real quick, and then we'll go back to. So on my screen here, I have. You see how the yellow TPO turned off? I have red strict candles. These candles went from the trigger candles went from blue to red. I got a sell sign. All of my triggers were met, and I went in short. Let me go back to live and publish. Here, let me just say that one more time because I know my chart didn't show up. One more time here. TPO yellow. Strict candles were red, so therefore probability was short. Got my sell sign here. my triggers, 1, 2, 3, and then I went in, and I'm risk free. And if it takes me out, it takes me out. Okay, we're back on Cloud's chart here. Alright, let's move this down a bit. So this way, there you go. So I took that first trade, got the FOMO out. That trade cost me 0. Now I wait. Now I'm going to wait to see what price wants to do. So while I wait, let's go to the chat.
Looks like we want to push down today. Let's see.
Yeah. All right, for those of you who are on, please click that like button. Let's see if we can get 10 likes before the new 4 hour. What do you think, Cloud? I think that's a good idea.
I think that's doable. We're pushing down. Let's see. Am I gonna
There
get
we
an
go.
entry?
We got 4 already. Let's go. We need 6 more. Come on, 6 more people. Click those like buttons. Oh, Cloud. So you got somebody here. How do they? I'm gonna put this on screen for you. Do you see this, Cloud?
No, hold on. No. I'm sorry. I'm trying to.
Oh,
I'm
he's
trying to
trading
catch.
right now. You know what? We'll do questions in a little bit. This is Cloud's mode right now, guys. It's live. You're seeing it live. Okay, what's the ATR on this? Okay, ATR is 12. Do I want to take a stab at this? ATR
What?
is
Another
12.
short?
Yeah, I'm thinking. I just don't like where we are on the 4 hour.
Yeah, same.
Really don't like that. Hello, Horatio.
We did have some buyers try to step in, but they weren't strong enough.
Hey, Gabby. Your buttons did it again.
Oh, we might get a long coming soon. Let's see if price can hold here.
TPO's red. IVD's red. Background is gray, though. Where are we on this? Yep. Okay, so we're making our way down. We can see some. Let's see if we can see any action at around 9:15 or 8:50. I'm looking at it from here. Okay, yep, there it is. Okay. So far, I just took one trade, risk-free. Tight stop, got worked out. Now I'm waiting for a better trade.
Still no trades for me. It looks like the shorts may have been the trade for the morning. Yeah. Let's see. Can I gotta be patient right here. Gotta be patient.
Yeah, there probably is a way that we can show both of our charts at the same time, but right now let's do one at a time, so we can focus on one before we get crazy.
We might come down to 950 ish.
Yeah, that's what I have on. That's an area I have on my chart. And if you're in the community and have done any type of mentorship, you know why. You got a raving fan here, Cloud.
Who is that?
Can you see the broadcast?
No. No, no, no.
No. Was it?
Alright, I'm long. I'm long.
Cloud. Cloud is long. Always remember there is a delay on YouTube, so when you hear us call out our trades, remember there is a delay. So trade your chart. And so we got someone with you. Good. They're long. What's that? Anybody else? DC's on. Welcome, DC. Thank you, Gabby. Thank you for the support. See what's happening here.
Let's see what here. Let's see what we have here.
Okay, I like the long, but my chart has not given me the confirmations I need just yet. But I like the long. I like the way that we are really. Let me just make sure to see if I don't miss anything. Okay. Okay. Gotta take some stuff off first. Okay. Alright, yeah, this might be it. Let's see. Alright. Alright, we got 8 likes. We only need 2 more to get our 10 before the new 4 hour. We got 13 people watching right now. Let's get this up to 10. There we go. We got 9. Let's go. Let's hit our goal. Let's see if we can get 10 likes. Boom. There's 10. Let's see if we can. Let's see if anybody else there who didn't hit that like button. See if you can hit it now. See if we can get in there.
All right, I'm liking the okay. I'm liking the longs a little bit more here. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get more room on these contracts here.
just a little recap. I know Cloud's in a trade. He's in long. He's working his trade to squeeze as much profit out as he can. 1,000 likes. Let's do it. Let's do it. Share this. Share this with everybody. Let's get 1,000 likes. Okay. So for those of you who are in the long, the strict candles are agreeing with you. The surge is agreeing with you.
But the probability is against us because we are kind of bearish right now. So
Yeah.
make sure you trade your stops kind of tight.
Yes, always important with your risk management. Understand that right now you are.
All right, I just took a trim right here.
Right now you're technically against the trend, but price is considered cheap. So.
All right. We are up $600.
Oh, here we go. Here we go.
Right now, I took this trade kind of small because of the area we're in.
We got a Gabby button on my chart. Oh, like that. That should be good for your long. Let me see here. Yeah, I'm going into. Okay, I'm in with you. Let's see if I can get risk free. Here we go.
Ooh, we
Let's
like
go.
That. Really like that. We're up $1,000 on the trade so far.
Let's
up
go.
$1,000. Up
I'm risk
$1,000.
free. I got one mini running. I gotta move my TP. I'm trading minis right now.
I like this. We like this. Up $1,200 on the trade. This can, like, literally, if you are looking to just trade part time, this can be a one and done trade for you. Yep. One and done trade. You do not have to sit on the computer all day to trade. Especially with the indicators that the community has built, you can get in, get out, go on with your day, go walk your dog, go to work, hop on a meeting. Like right now, I have to go meet a contractor shortly. So I'm just looking to sit in this trade, hopefully as long as I can.
TPOs clicked off. They went from red to gray. Another good sign for the longs.
I'm looking for 100 points on this trade, by the way.
Let's get it. Let's get it. I didn't even care about this stupid consistency rule today.
Yeah, F it.
I don't care about that crap. I'm going to go for 100.
All right. We can sit in this trade hopefully all day. We might have the bottom. We might have the bottom.
You know what? You could preach that all day.
Oh yeah, no. I've learned my lesson never to say that. But hey, I feel like the entry that we have is, I literally have the bottom 990. So
yeah. And also, if you look at the forecaster, we are considered cheap here, so it was a good idea to go long. Cloud went in first. His chart saw things first. Mine came a little bit later, but we're both making money. That's the key. Trade your chart.
I'm down to 5 micros here. I took the trade with 10 micros. I'm down to 5 micros. If we can get over VWAP, I will add a mini and scalp that up a little bit. But we have to get above VWAP. If you're looking at my screen, VWAP is this blue line.
Now this VWAP is the area where. Go ahead, Kyle.
VWAP is abbreviation VWAP, volume weighted average price. And if you're looking at my screen again too, we have I have this indicator right here that I'm hovering over. It's called the strength to direction oscillator. If you can look very closely at these dots right here, they're red, which is telling me that we have a high probability to play below VWAP. 22,000 flat is where I'm going to be out of this trade.
Okay, we gotta see what's here. All right, come on, the video, play nice.
Remember, we do have news again at 10 o'clock this morning. We have business inventories, but tomorrow is the big day. That's actually kind of what I'm looking forward to. That's kind of why I've been trading a lot lighter than normally. Everyone knows I'm a heavier and riskier trader, but right now tomorrow is the day that I want to save all my capital for.
Yeah, so Cloud will break down why he took that long um, in a little bit. Let's just, right now we actively trade, right? So let's give some time for the trade to mature a little bit, and then he'll break down exactly why he went in.
This VWAP right there, as you can see, we can't get over it right now. Doesn't mean that we won't get over it. We just can't get over it right now. Bitcoin is now at $108,000. I am so happy. I am so happy. I have a little over four Bitcoin left, like 4.76 left.
Nice.
Yeah, so I'm happy. I'm not selling any. I've already sold one 2 weeks ago when it first hit 100,000. Apple is on a tear right now. Microsoft is looking to tested yesterday's high, is looking to get back above it. Google Google is above yesterday's high, very bullish sign. Meta is inside yesterday's candle. Amazon is bearish right now. Damn. And Nvidia, ooh, semiconductors have been taking a beating right now. I may look at AMD. Like I might play some AMD contracts for next year. I'll post the contracts I'm looking to buy. I'm looking to buy some leaps on AMD. 6 months to a year out, by the way. As you can see, we couldn't get above VWAP right here. When we have, so these are the indicators that we offer. As you can see, we did have a rainbow of colors. We had red, blue, green, blue again. What these colors mean, from red to blue, it's a nice sign for the bulls. That means that we have buyers stepping in. You can possibly start looking for a long if it's at your level. Once we have green, buyers are strong. If it goes back blue from green, that means that we have sellers stepping in. Back to green, buyers. Back to blue, sellers. Right now, we couldn't get above VWAP. Let's see if we can try to hold this London low right here.
price is sticking right here.
Oh man, my my internet definitely just froze on me for a second there.
Yeah.
Remember what I said? 20,000. I'm gonna be out of the trade. I mean 20. I'm sorry, 22,000. 22,000. I'm sorry, 22,000. I'm gonna be out of the trade.
ATR is 18.
Oh. Okay, we like this push back up. All right, let's see if we can get back above VWAP now. Or let's see if we can flirt with VWAP. It's gonna be sticky to get above VWAP. I'm gonna show you why off a 1 minute chart. Hold on. So do you see that red cloud on my screen right here, right next to that New York high? So we have VWAP, but we also have a New York high there. And that red cloud is a liquidity zone. It's a bearish liquidity zone. That's why my stop is so far back. Because I know we're gonna push up, push down. It's gonna be a lot of battle right here. Mm.
We got about a minute and a half until the new 4 hour.
I don't like how we keep rejecting VWAP the way we are. I mean, it's not a hard rejection, but I still don't like it. Mo, can you add Adam?
Yeah, no, he's. I just have to do some behind the scenes stuff. Okay.
Remember what I said about the 22,000? New 4 hours here, by the way. All right, I'm flat. I am flat. That 22,000 did knock me out. Well, it looks like we might be. I don't want to say it too soon, but we might be in for a short day today. Let's see if if the previous New York low can hold. Beware the PLC. Okay. PLC is point of control, which means price is going to hug that PLC.
All right, I think we have another guest on the line. Adam, you there?
Can you hear me?
There you go. He's here.
All right, cool. How's everybody doing?
Pretty good, pretty good. I'm in another
Pretty
long,
good.
by the way, you guys. Risky right here.
All right, beautiful. Okay, now we got everybody up. Clouds up, his charts up.
I'm gonna be out. I'm
Adam's
gonna give it
here.
10 points. I'm gonna give it 10 points. I am out. I am out. I am out. I gave it a 10-point stop because we were still kind of bearish, and I got just a small bullish sign.
Yeah, I'm only looking for long, so we're in a, if we're gonna have a bearish day, I'm just going to wait until we drop lower and play it right back to the area we're at now. If I wanted to be in a short, I ought to be in one. So I'm just gonna chill out. Apple, Microsoft are bearish.
Okay. All right. Let's see how we doing on the stream. Very good.
Yeah. Remember what I said about that 950 area? I'm looking at it again.
So Adam, why is it you're looking long?
Why am I only looking for the bulls?
Mm-hmm.
Because we keep making new all-time highs. So there's nothing on the chart here that, other than retracements
Mm-hmm.
that say to take short. So just gonna keep waiting for price to drop down. Hopefully it drops down lower. I'd love to see 21,900 would be great. Love for price to go all the way down to 21,850. That's fine too. But if we just keep playing here and end up going right back to where we were just at, I'll just go long again. So I'm just not interested in playing any retracements at all. I'm really happy that the TPO is not yellow though.
I'm surprised it's not yellow with everything we have going on tomorrow and the rest of the week. I'm surprised that they're not stacking.
Yeah, that's a good sign. Makes it easier on us.
Mm-hmm.
We have to get above this 4 hour right here. Remember what I said about the blue candles the blue candles that come after the red? That's a bullish sign.
Yeah. It's looking good. Looking good. I love this forecaster. Hopefully everybody on the stream is loving it too. I mean, it's calling it out perfectly. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get like a webcam, I think, because I can't get my camera to work on Chrome at all.
Yeah, that's fine. That's all right. We could do this. We could have you guys. At least everybody's on.
Yeah.
That's first.
Oh, we're just missing DC, right?
Yeah, he'll be here.
January. Hopefully January for him. Yeah, if you want to get in a trade and you're not in one and you want to go long, just wait for the TPO to not be red. You're not going to get the bottom. You're not going to get the bottom. But if you're just looking to get into a trade and ride the wave, and not deal with, getting stopped out here or choppiness there. Just let the probability stack in your favor. You don't need to rush anything. If you want to play shorts, you're already in it. There's no reason to be looking to get in a short. You're either in a short right now and you're hoping it keeps going down, or you're waiting for a long to play out and you get in that long. I mean, there's no reason to look to enter a short. If you're not already in the short, stop looking. This is not the area to short at all. Next entry might be once price is showing us that it's holding above 22,050, so another 50 points up in the air, and it's holding, and then we have our new invalidation, and we can get in that area. But just gonna wait for now. Beautiful looking surge there, Mo. That's money. I like it when you got the blue candles and then you get the green border of the surge.
Yeah.
Like you can just see looking left. Okay, the single blue candle, there was no green border, it failed. And then in the middle, we had a single blue candle with the green surge, and it ended up working out as long as the green border of the red surge stood. That's pretty powerful. That is pretty cool.
We might start getting some yellow candles soon. I wouldn't doubt it.
I hate those days.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'd rather it stay red. Microsoft looking good right now.
It's looking kind of. Yeah, it's coming down.
We got some nice divergence right now. NQ going down, Microsoft going up. I like this. Keep dropping NQ. It's definitely a bearish day. So if you're looking long, just know you're going against the trend, and you got to be okay with that. Nothing wrong with trying to get in and riding the trend right now, if you're already in the short. But if you're not in, I really would not advise entering in this area. Could it, I'm hoping it drops further, but I don't think you want to trade on hope. TPO's red, strict red, IVD red, and I'm looking long. So, forecaster is my best friend on these days. Whenever I know I'm going against the trend, forecaster is a big help. You guys see that I posted? We got a new indicator only person.
Mm-hmm.
So if you're on the stream watching, if you can let us know, hey, you joined because of the stream, or we haven't gotten a chance to connect yet, so we're just wondering how you found TWA. But welcome.
Yeah, there's not much happening right now. Nothing to get into. So, if anybody has any questions, you drop them in the chat. I'll put them on screen and we can answer them.
We're going to 950.
Nice. Oh, I just saw Sal saying shorts. CR is funny. The law of atom probability. Oh, South said he got 100 points. Congrats, man.
Nice.
I mean, that's what happens when you get in with the probabilities of the indicators. You know, you got TPOs red, IVDs red. It's telling you to look for shorts. If you're like me, looking for a long, you know, you have to, you're playing the long game. You're waiting. You know, you're going against the odds. That's how the indicators help you. You don't need to use these indicators and saying I'm only going to trade because if this and this matches. You know, you're not a robot. You just use these indicators to help you with your emotions, help you with your risk management. You know, I'm going long again with everything being red, then, you know, I should size down, right? I'm going long with everything green, I could be a little bit heavier. But this is a perfect area I've been looking for to be going against the trend. So I'm happy South got his 100 points because I'm going to be getting into this long here coming up. I don't care if it was your first short in weeks, man. You can call me perma bull. That's fine. I like your short, man. I like your short. I just can't do it. I'm only looking longs, man. Only looking longs. I'm in right now. Entry now. Tag me in at 976. I'm just going to put my TP out of the way at 22,400 just to make sure it's out of the way. Again, me going long is low win rate and it's high reward. So I would not advise you to take my trades. Like Mo did a good job telling everybody, we have a delay as well. But I am in long and, you know, I'm looking for price to hold this area. And my next long is if I were to lose this trade would be at 21,900 area. Jason asked if you can see, I guess, my chart. That would be later on, Jason. I'm getting an indicator approved by TradingView, and I would like to have that thing visible on the library before I start showing it on YouTube. But Mo's chart is looking amazing.
No, that's Cloud's chart today. You're looking at Cloud's chart on the live today.
Oh, this is Cloud's chart. Looking good, man. Except that one thing, but yeah. Yeah, Microsoft is looking really bullish right now. Apple's looking bullish as well. Both of those going up while NQ is taking a little bit of a dive. And it took a dive right at the area that I like, so it's going to be interesting. Let's see what happens. Right now I'm in drawdown. My stop will be triggered at 47, 21,947. I'll be out of the trade. I'm out of that long.
Here we go.
It's 10:20 in the morning. I'll let you know as soon as I re-enter along. It'll be my third trade of the day. First trade went up over 50 points. This one just a couple points. With these longs, I'm not looking for a 50-pointer.
Yeah, the shorts were the move today.
Yeah, for the first hour so far, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the thing. When you go against the indicators, and you know that you're going against the trend, you gotta have to suck that up. It's like, these indicators are red. What do we expect? The market to go up? Of course, it's going to go down. And we're just trying to figure out how low it's going to go. I like to use Microsoft and Apple for that. NVIDIA I was staring at for a long time, but NVIDIA and NASDAQ are like a mirror image of each other. So it got to the point to where I felt like I was just looking at the NASDAQ twice with NVIDIA, but so kind of moved on to Apple. But Microsoft has definitely been the standstill. Microsoft is just a great way to kind of help you see, how much strength is in the market to the upside. And let's see. I really wanted to see Microsoft climb above 452 and hold above 452. Indicators on Microsoft are very bullish. We got those blue dots for bearishness, so a little retracement happening right now on Microsoft while it's bullish, so just waiting. Apple's also bullish at the moment too. They're both very strong, and NQ is very cheap. We're coming down to our purple box on the forecaster, and it's 10:20 in the morning. This is going to be a south setup.
I'm long. I'm trying to long here. Risky,
I like
but
it. I like it. I like it. I'll let you. And the cool thing is you got the blue candle color. So if you don't hit TP1 and the blue candle clicks off, you can just exit for a smaller loss. So I like it. I'm waiting for a little more confirmation, but I like it. Did you finish all your Christmas shopping, Cloud?
no, not yet.
Yeah. You buy anything off the TikTok shop?
No, God no.
Yeah. I made my first order off that TikTok shop.
I think it's scammy to me.
Yeah.
It
I don't
felt
like
that way, but you know what? The tracking was really good. Notification. I mean, the item was only $20. You know, notification did a good job keeping me updated on everything. I don't know. Amazon better watch out.
I don't think so. I don't think so. No.
Yeah.
I mean, if you see some of the stuff some people are pushing on the shop, it's like, eh. Is there a reason why it's not on Amazon? Just saying.
Very risky here because we can just come down. Let's see what happens. All right. I like it a little bit.
I like it, man. I'm telling you. I like it. Oh, I'm getting in right now. I'm in at 958. Make sure I move my TP back up to 22,400. Get it out of the way. That'd be the worst feeling in the world to be up 100 points in the trade and it stops you out.
All right, let's see if we can get some room on these contracts right here. It's 950 here is what I called out first thing this morning. Let's see if it can hold now.
Let's do it. I'll let you know if I exit. It's for me, it's one of those things where I'm just staring at the newer indicator, and if it turns on me without, if I had a TP1, then I'll just exit. Microsoft is looking very good. Apple looking very good. And we're cheap.
If we sweep the lows, I'm going to be out. Might be out sooner. Let's see.
Looks like in 1 minute I'll be out of the trade. I got a red candle, so I'm waiting for it to close. I'm hoping it closes back. There we go. Closes back green. Thank you very much. That's how the new indicator will help you stay in even longer. When you haven't, you're in a trade and let's say you didn't hit TP1, if you were playing a TP1, then it can help keep you in. and then exit you without too much of a drawdown, which is that's the key. That's the key right there. If you can exit the same way repeatedly over and over again, it's a big time edge. We're looking to come back up to 22,050 here. Got a second red candle that's printing, so in 50 seconds I'll be out of the short. It's currently down 10 points. I'm sorry, I said short, out of the long. "30 seconds. Trades down 8 points. Trades down 7 points. 10 seconds left. Trades down only 6 points. 3, 2, 1. Yep. All right. Still waiting. Candle didn't finalize red. Wow. I was like, get ready to hit that exit button and it closed green. Oh, all right.
I'm in
We're up
long.
970. Nice.
See if I can get
Nice.
my TP1.
All right, that worked out. That worked out. No, I can't explain anything on Cloud's chart. CR, let Cloud explain it. I'm not even. There's.
There we go. Risk-free long. I'm in a risk-free long right now. Move my TP up.
Are you the trend trader now, South? I mean, if you're going in the direction of the day, yeah. I mean, what's the trend, right? Are we talking about the trend on the of the day, of the session? But I know what you mean, man. No, I mean, I'm not. The higher time frames are telling me to stay long. So. Cloud, CR wants you to explain the wave near price.
The wave?
Near price. Near price.
think it's the
I think he's
cloud.
talking about your cloud.
Yeah, the cloud. The cloud on Cloud's chart.
There you go. I was.
CR, we have to wait until after the live to answer all questions for me personally. Because I don't really like what wave is he talking about? What this wave right here?
He's talking about your red and green cloud. He's talking about the cloud on your chart.
By the candles.
Underneath the candles.
That's another evidence line. Another support to help me stay in trades as long as possible.
Microsoft is having a timeout. We're at the 450 mark, $450 on Microsoft. I wanted it at 452. It's at 451.65 to be exact. Microsoft tapped 452 and went down. So I'm keeping it as this long trade for us is running. That's all I'm doing is really staring at Microsoft. The indicators look really good on Microsoft, guys. It's just, you can see like a little retracement, a little consolidation forming. Apple's very strong. And if you're in long, you know that, you're in for the long haul, right? I mean, again, TPO is red, IVD is red. You're going against a lot. So there are more bears in the market. There's more people selling. than there are people buying. So we're gonna have to deal with these ebbs and flows a lot, and just slowly we grow in liquidity. Let me see if so 15.36. Okay. Let's see if participation goes down. Yeah.
We should get some traction soon on these contracts.
Yeah, doesn't seem any issues. Microsoft is going down though, and Apple's starting to go down, so just got to be mentally prepared. Yeah, both of them are going down at the moment. Let's just put the other top five. Top five stock though overall is bullish still. Apple, Nvidia, Microsoft, Amazon, Facebook. That combo is nicely green. So it's just the two biggest weighted stocks that are red right now out of those five, and we don't want that. We don't want that. Microsoft has been bullish since 10 a.m. after taking a dive during South's 100 pointer. It's been slowly climbing back up. It's made a lower high, and I was hoping it was going to break that 452. It's sitting at 451.82 at the moment. So you're hearing me get really happy if Microsoft is above 452.
We have red backgrounds potentially printing.
Yeah, I mean, South brings up a good question, about, is he the only one against the trend? It's a good conversation because I think there's a lot of people get confused on these days, because you can go either direction. As you can see on Cloud's dashboard, we are technically ranging on the higher time frame. So ranging days can be a little confusing because you want to go long and everything's red. Well, it's because we're moving down at the moment. But when we're ranging, eventually that flip happens, right? And you're going to see it before the directional indicators will see it. So If you're going against the directional indicators like IVD and TPO, that means that you got to love the area, right? So that's where the forecaster really, really helps you, and that's where your trigger really, really helps you, because those are going to be the only two things that are going to be in your favor if you're ever against the trend, is a trigger and the area. And then you just slowly look for things to agree. What do you want to see, Mo, on this long to make you feel really good about it?
100
I want to
points.
see is get above the one of the indicators, the storylines on one of the indicators.
Yeah. What happens if the TPO stops being red?
Oh, then it's like. Then I turn off the stream. We go. That's
Makes you feel even better about staying in it longer, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's that. I mean, that's what I'm looking at. You know, like TPO to turn off, and then strict to turn off, and
We got a buy sign right here in printing.
Yeah, there's a gappy button here too, and the filter line for the what is that called? The strict candles just went from red to green, so things are starting to cook.
All right, my longs are up. What? Let's measure. How many micros and minis? My longs up 30 points now.
yeah, I think it's a good conversation. I'm just texting in the chat, you know, about how we were able to sit and be patient on these longs, you know, because we stood true to our setups with our indicators. We knew which indicators we were going to be going against, and which indicators we were going to use for our entry. So for me, it's the new indicator that I'm excited to get out to you guys, and the forecaster. The forecaster is just, it's money. And
We
then of
should see some
course, you know,
hesitation here as we are wicking off the bottom of the 30-second money zone.
yeah. I mean, I'm just looking for 22,050. Just until it gets there, I'm not even paying attention to anything. If you're in the mentorship, you know what areas were below us that would make you feel good about it as well. So strict just turned off, Mo.
Yep.
Now can we get the IVD background to turn off, or the IVD candles turn off? One of them. That would be nice. And then lastly, TPO.
I'm taking a trim up here, 2 minis.
Nice trade, man.
Yeah. I would like it if I was.
Congrats.
You know, for me, it's like I hate a trade that I have to sit in it, that I don't get TP1 immediately. You know.
Then don't go against any of the indicators. I mean, this is to be expected, man. I mean, you did a good job, but we're going against the current direction. So, you know, it's like you're swimming upstream, right? We're swimming against the current. It's tiring.
All right, 30-second money zone did break down. Also did the 1 minute moving average.
You said the 30-second broke down or held?
Yeah, the 30-second money zone.
It held or broke?
It held. My bad. It held.
Yeah, yeah.
And look where we're back to.
TPO's turning off, which is good.
Gray?
Gray.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Nice. Nice. Very nice. Come on, 22,050. And if that breaks, then we're gonna get some real good. It's gonna be a real good day. See, that's what I mean. That's huge. That's huge for my confidence. You know, you guys pointing out that TP clicking off, and then I see the strict clicked off. So I really, out of the three though, I really wanted to see the background of the IVD turn off. That would have made me even more happy. But I'll take it. Slowly, the directional indicators are starting to agree with us. That's what we want. So if 050 holds, Jason, then we're looking for 22,200, 240, 220, you know, that area. I mean, you just use the forecaster. You've been watching the stream long enough. I'll be shocked if you don't have the indicators by now. If you have the forecaster on your chart, you would just be keeping your trade running until that top expensive box of that forecaster. And the setting for that would be on, let me see, I think auto. No, small. Let me see. So this is this auto? Yeah. Yeah, so the auto expensive box is exactly where I would be looking for price to go to if 22,050 breaks down. So from 22,050 up to 22,200, 240, 250 area, you know, that area. And then me personally, I just went ahead and put my TP at 22,400 just to get it out of the way. You know, once it gets to 22,200 area, then I would make a decision if I wanted to change that or not. Yeah, that works, Jason. I mean, the indicators come with the mentorship, so, and you're going to know how to use them better. With the mentorship. That's how you know Mo, I mean, I put that guy through hell. I feel so bad because he joined the mentorship when I had no indicators. Golly. I'm so sorry, Mo.
That's all right. Made me better.
That's
Now.
right. That's right.
Now.
Hold on, you guys. We're at the bottom of this 30-second money zone right here. We're also at the top of the pullback on the 30-second. I wouldn't be surprised if we break down again. I want us to get back to the back above the 4-hour close, which is this orange line. It's going to be a struggle, though. It's going to be a struggle. I don't think we're going to just shoot up there very quickly, but I think we will get there. Sorry, I'm going to cut you guys off.
No, you didn't.
No, you're good.
Yep. Yeah, what I love on Cloud's chart for someone who's going long is that dashboard. Look how ES is green, YM is green, Apple is green, Amazon's green. That dashboard makes me feel good. And I love that it says higher time frames ranging. If the higher time frame said short, there's just no way I could be against the trend, right? But because the higher time frame is not confirmed short, then I can play both sides. And the side that I choose to play is the longs. So that dashboard is really helpful. I'm a directional trader, so the indicators that I'm passionate about are indicators that can help you stay in trades for long periods. So I love the way Cloud's chart is set up. Just got to deal with the back and forth. Because this is a perfect area for bearish to short, you know? Perfect area. So we just got to chill and let the move happen. I didn't see DC say that on the chat. I'm sorry, DC. Mo, DC said he got 100 points and he's done for the day.
Nice.
Hold on, you guys. I gotta take a phone call. I'm still in the longs, by the way.
Yeah, no reason to exit, man. No reason to exit. Just Microsoft is flirting. It's at $451.87. Just break and hold 452, and we are good. Apple is bullish. Apple is doing well.
Sorry, I'm sorry about that. Somebody asking me about some pointless shopping. Hey, Mo, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
All right. Adam said he got disconnected, by the way.
It's alright. He just has to reconnect and he'll be right on the call. Yeah, we got a buy sign on my screen. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see if this is the push now. Come on.
30-second money zone right here. It hasn't flipped yet.
Let me just see if he's in the guest room, and now I gotta put him here. Make sure he's there. Oh. What just happened there? Oh. Hey Adam, you're back.
Oh, okay. You can hear me?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know what happened.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
So just so you guys know, Microsoft is above 452 now. That's what we wanted, and as soon as it hit 452, NQ exploded up. I'm gonna be lumping that into the Excel program also, as far as like how I'm reading Microsoft and Apple, Nvidia, Facebook, because it's become my go-to. Like now with these new indicators with the tools, it makes reading those stocks so easy, and the indicators perform even better on the stocks, right? Because they're less volatile. So it's pretty amazing. IVD candle colors are off. That's good. We're 40 points away from the magical 22,050. And then we find out. How the day is going to be. I like what Pan just posted in the mentorship channel.
What did he post?
Of course I can't say it.
Oh yeah.
Teaser. All right, so we're getting towards 11 o'clock. I'm going to let's see, where is it? Right.
Oh, I didn't notice on Cloud's strength and direction that changed in our favor too.
Yeah.
Wow. It's only a matter of time. That's crazy. So YM turned red on the dashboard. Usually they're the first ones to turn red, then ES goes red, then NQ. So what I want to see happen is I want ES to stay green and then YM go back green. That would be another, story telling us that we're safe. But if we see on that dashboard that while NQ is chopping around, flirting with getting to our 22,050, if we see on that dashboard ES goes red, it's like, damn it, because you just know that means that NQ is going to take a dive. So that's another little story we'll get to see. So, how do you use it? Well, let's say you're winning the trade, you're up X amount, and you see ES go red. You might decide to go to break even then, because you can kind of know what's about to happen. So YM always does it first. So when that dashboard goes red on YM, you just hope it's a small retracement and it turns back green. Because if it stays red, then ES is going to follow, and then NQ is going to follow. So if you're in long with us and you have the indicators, that's something you can be looking at right now. So Mo said we're getting ready to log off. You have that dashboard on your chart, and if YM goes back green while ES stood green, you can feel really good that we're going to keep moving up. Just data that you can use to help manage your trade, help manage your emotions, stay analytical.
All right, so for everybody who's listening out there, if you're not in the mentorship, if you know somebody who's looking to join, in the chat, you tell them to go to tradingwithadam.com, and if they use the promo code MINDSET, again, it's promo code MINDSET, they can get a discount off of your first month. I have it on the screen here so everybody can see. I'll get it out of the way so this way you can see Cloud's chart. All right, so let's just do a quick recap before we get off. I took a couple shorts today. I took about 3 shorts before I waited to see what the market wanted or couldn't do. Once I saw it, then I'm in this long now, and I'm just waiting to see how far I can squeeze the trade out of it. Cloud, are you in anything presently? How was
I'm
your...
in long.
He's in the long.
I'm in long.
Yeah, he's in the long still.
Okay. And then I know Adam, I think you as well. You're
Yeah.
looking long all day.
Yeah, I'm in the long. Just my third trade of the day.
So it's
Microsoft is
get
at 452.93. It's almost at 450. It's almost at $453. If Microsoft stays above 452, then I could care less about anything else that's happening. NQ could take a 50-point drop, and if Microsoft is above 452, I don't care. If NQ takes a 50-point drop and Microsoft is still above 452, if you're not long, that's your opportunity. That's your opportunity. Well, it was fun being on with you guys today.
Yep. All right, so guys, we're getting ready to sign off here. Remember, if you're already a member, you can catch us right after this live call. We'll be in the student chat right after this call. You'll see Adam there, you see Cloud there, myself there. So that's where we go in depth on any questions on the market or indicators, anything you saw in your trades that you want to talk about. That's a perfect place to talk in real time. Again, thank you so much. Thank you for all the likes. Thank you for everybody for seeing us today. Hopefully your trading was disciplined and you followed your setups the best you could. And remember, we'll be on again tomorrow. Till then, thank you everybody. And remember, if you want the indicators or if you know someone who does, have them go to tradingwithadam.com. Promo code mindset. They get a discount off their first month. Thank you again. And I look forward to seeing everybody posting their trades. Take care, everybody.
Woke up to the sunlight in my eyes. Today's the day I'll rise and shine. No worries, no fears cross my mind. Let's leave the doubts all behind. Walking on clouds, I'm